Hi students, welcome to the English class. We are going to learn about active and passive voice. Questions have passive forms. There are two types of questions. They are question word questions and verbal questions. A question word question begins with a question word. See the example. What did you write? It's an active voice. What is the question word? Did auxiliary verb, use subject, write main verb. In passive form, what does not change? Did plus write becomes was written. You subject. The question in passive voice is what was written by you? See another example. How did you write it? How is the question word. Did auxiliary, use subject, write main verb, it object. In passive voice, how does not change. Did plus write becomes was written. It subject, you object. So the question in passive form is, how was it written by you? Generally, in questions, we use auxiliary and main verb. Subject is placed between the auxiliary and the main verb. But in some questions, we do not use auxiliary verb. See the example. Who wrote the story? It's an active voice. Who question word. It is used as subject. A wrote verb, the story is object. In passive voice, who becomes by whom. Whom is the objective form of who. Wrote becomes was written and the story is subject. The question in passive voice is by whom was the story written. A verbal question begins with an auxiliary verb. See the example. Do you know the answer? Do, auxiliary verb, use subject, know main verb. The answer is object. In passive voice, do plus know becomes is known, you object, the answer is subject. So the question in passive form is the answer known to you? See another example. Can you complete it? Can is the modal auxiliary, use subject, complete main verb, it is object. In passive voice, can complete becomes can be completed, you object, it subject. The question in passive voice is can it be completed by you? Thank you.